Welcome back to our gardening and farming channel where we explore the diverse world of living organisms. Today we're diving into the enchanting realm of Calamint. Join us as we uncover its captivating history, delve into its unique description, discuss the optimal growing conditions, explore companion planting, and unveil its various uses. Calamint has a fascinating history, deeply rooted in ancient civilizations. This perennial herb has been cherished for centuries and was particularly prized by the ancient Greeks and Romans for its aromatic properties and medicinal benefits. Calamint has traveled through time, capturing the hearts of gardeners and herbal enthusiasts alike. Calamint is a charming herb that features delicate lance-shaped leaves and clusters of small tubular flowers. The plant boasts a compact and bushy growth habit, reaching a height of approximately 1 to 2 feet. With its vibrant green foliage and delightful floral display, Calamint adds a touch of beauty to any garden or landscape. Calamint thrives in a well-drained soil, preferably with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.5. This herb enjoys full sun exposure but can tolerate partial shade. Calamint is known for its resilience, adapting well to various soil types and climate conditions. It's a hardy perennial that can withstand both drought and cold temperatures. Calamint is a fantastic companion plant, attracting beneficial insects like bees, butterflies, and pollinators to the garden. It also acts as a natural repellent for pests such as aphids and cabbage worms. Consider planting Calamint alongside vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants to enhance their growth and deter harmful insects. Calamint offers a range of uses that extend beyond its ornamental value. Its leaves possess a delightful minty aroma and can be used fresh or dried to add a unique flavor to teas, herbal infusions, and culinary creations. Calamint is also valued for its medicinal properties, known for its soothing effects on digestion and respiratory health. And there you have it, a closer look at the captivating Calamint herb. We hope you enjoyed this exploration. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more captivating plant profiles. Thank you for watching, and may your gardening endeavors be filled with beauty and abundance.